Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is what is HTTPS and why should you install it on your website? When you browse the web, your browser and the server are constantly talking to each other. The server responds to your request through a protocol, a bit like building a bridge between your computer and the website's server so they can communicate. By default, this bridge uses a protocol called HTTP. But here's the catch. This bridge is wide open. Anyone can see the information traveling across it. So if you enter sensitive details like your credit card number or login credentials, hackers can easily intercept them on an HTTP site. Now, this is where HTTPS comes in. The S stands for secure. Rather than building an open bridge, HTTPS creates a secure tunnel where your data is encrypted, keeping out those prying eyes. To get HTTPS on your website, you need an SSL certificate. This little piece of magic handles the encryption and ensures that the data exchanged between your browser and the server stays safe. Plus, you'll see a gray padlock in your browser's address bar, signaling that the connection is secure. But there's more. Did you know that Google gives a ranking boost to HTTPS sites? And with HTTPS, you also help protect the privacy of your visitors. So, whether you're running an online store or just a personal blog, having HTTPS is essential for safety and trust. How to install an SSL certificate using Let's Encrypt. Let's head over to the Security section in cPanel. Scroll down a bit until you find Let's Encrypt SSL and click on it. Now, scroll until you see the domain name listed. Once you find it, click on the Generate button. You don't need to change any of the default settings, so leave everything as it is. Just scroll down and click Generate again. After a few moments, you'll arrive at the confirmation page. You'll see a message saying that everything is set up correctly. Awesome. Now, let's go back to our site to check if it's working. Type the domain name in the browser, but this time with HTTPS in front of it. And there it is. Everything works perfectly. You'll notice the little padlock next to the URL, which means the site is now secure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips coming soon. Thanks for watching.